Going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in pause MACD. We're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in pause MACD and slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. As for our temporary support, that'll be where you have the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $25.54. If we were to test that level, the price movement to the downside is around 1.8%. As we extend out to the daily chart, we're about to reach to pause MACD. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'm trading SLV, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.27, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 18-day moving average. My sell target is at $24.50, and my stop loss is at $22.87. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.91, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.68, and my stop loss is at $25.34. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 3.4%, and to the downside a 25% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.4%, and another 25% chance to fall between negative 3.4 to negative 6.8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.